Water drain valve operation. To drain the remaining fuel and water, water drain valves located at the lowest points of tanks or cells are actuated. For each wing, there is one water drain valve for the vent surge tank close to the NACA intake. There is one water drain valve at the bottom of the outer cell, not far from the refueling station. At the lowest point of the wing inner cell is another water drain valve, installed in between the two wing booster pumps. To get access to the center tank drain valves, it is necessary to open the hydraulic bay access doors under the fuselage. The yellow hydraulic bay door is opened to have access to the right-hand drain valve. For the left-hand center tank water drain valve, the blue hydraulic access door is opened. Safety precautions being taken, an access platform is installed below the applicable water drain valve and also a container to receive the drainage. On the test equipment jet pump, the nut, the screw and the plunger assembly are fully retracted. To install the equipment, put the hexagonal end of the bush into the base plate of the water drain valve. Turn the bush through 30 degrees. Turn the nut until it touches and seals against the bottom skin. Finally, hold the bush and turn the screw to the end of its travel. This causes the plunger to open the drain valve and the fuel to flow. Please note that periodic operation of these valves ensures that water does not collect in quantities sufficient to cause malfunction of the engines. When the fuel flow stops, remove the test equipment jet pump.